Machine A is able to print 50 stars in a minute. For every 1000 stars that machine A prints, machine B is able to print 500 more stars than machine A. How many more stars will machine B print in 2 hours than machine A? Now, for machine A to print 1000 stars, how long will it take? Let's see. Machine A to print 1000 stars per minute can print 50 stars. So 1000 divided by 50, it will take 20 minutes. Right? So basically what this means is in 20 minutes, machine A is able to print 1000 stars. Now, if we talk about machine B, okay, for every 1000 stars that machine A prints, machine B can print 500 more. So in that same time, in that 20 minutes, machine A would have printed 1000 stars already. Alright, whereas for machine B, it will be able to print 1000 plus 500. So in that 20 minutes, same time, machine B can print more, right? It can print in total 1500 stars. Okay, so if you give these two machines 20 minutes each, machine B can print 500 stars more. That's what it means. Of course, if you give it 2 hours, machine B can print many more stars as compared to machine A. Okay, so what we need to do here is find out in 2 hours, right, how many blocks of 20 minutes can we have? Now we know that 2 hours is equivalent to 2 times 60, 120 minutes. And in 120 minutes, how many blocks or how many sets of this 20 minutes can we have? 120 divided by 20, we can have 6 sets. And remember, in each set of 20 minutes, machine B can print 500 more in each set of 20 minutes. So if you have 6 sets of 20 minutes, then machine B can print 500 times 6 more. 3000 more. Okay, or an alternative method to approach this question is this. So in 20 minutes, 500 more, right, for machine B. So if I give it 120 minutes, how many more can machine B print? So over here you times 6, 20 times 6 is 120. So you do the same thing here, 500 times 6. Okay, and then you can get 3000 more. So the answer for this question, machine B can print 3000 more stars than machine A in 2 hours.